how to fix muted video on TikTok. So if you want to fix muted video on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Now, once you open up your TikTok, you just need simply go with the inbox option, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on inbox, now here you will have all of your notifications, right? So if you get a notification, like you will have system notifications, you can tap on system notifications, and here if you have any notification about copyright, then you just need to simply go with the copyright notification and solve your problem. Because if your video has been muted, then you might get copyright issues. It might be because of the copyright. But if you don't have the copyright issue right here, then what you can do is just simply go back and tap on profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3 bar. Tap on settings and privacy, and you need to scroll down again and tap on report a problem. Once you tap on report a problem, you just need simply select a topic, which is I'll just simply choose feed and playback option, and under that you will have playing videos. You can simply tap on it, or you can also go with videos and sounds option if you have that. So you just need simply tap on other and tap on need more help, and it will take you to the report page or the TikTok help desk. So you just need simply write that I'm facing a problem with TikTok muted videos. So the audio in the video I uploaded is muted. I think it is mistake or an issue with my account. So please help me with this. And after that, you need to simply go with submit or send. And once you've sent, then you will get some help from TikTok on how you can fix your muted video. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.